Let me ask you a question. If I handed you $1,000 in cash today, what would you actually do with it? Not what sounds smart, not what YouTube gurus shout about, but what you'd really do. Some people would rush to invest it immediately, others would freeze, and many would quietly spend it. $1,000 is small enough to waste, but powerful enough to change your future. The problem isn't the money, it's decision paralysis. By the end of this video, you'll know how to think about money forever. Let's be honest. If investing were only about returns, everyone would be rich by now. They lose money because they copy success without understanding it. Someone says crypto worked. Someone else says stocks are dead. Suddenly, your $1,000 feels like a ticking bomb. Investing isn't logical, it's emotional. That's why the first rule of investing $1,000 is not choosing an asset. It's choosing the right role for that money. Before asking, what should I invest in? Ask this instead. What job should my $1,000 do for me? Should it grow slowly and safely? Should it teach you a lesson? Or should it take a calculated risk for a bigger future payoff? Think of money like an employee. You don't hire a firefighter to do accounting, yet people do this with money all the time. They put short-term money into long-term assets, then panic when markets move. Once you understand the job of your $1,000, the confusion disappears. Almost every smart investor uses $1,000 in 3 roles. First, stability. Boring but powerful. Second, skills and knowledge. Third, asymmetric growth. The mistake is going all in on one role. Balance beats bravery every time. 2 people with the same $1,000 should invest differently. Age, income, and mindset change everything. Later, I'll show the mistake that silently kills returns. Your first $1,000 shapes every decision after it. Let's start with the most ignored investment, stability. This is not about excitement. It's about sleeping well at night. If your $1,000 has no safety rule, every market dip feels personal. Stability money reduces panic, not returns. Examples: emergency funds, high-interest savings, short-term bonds. This money doesn't grow fast, but it protects everything else. Most beginners skip this step, then quit investing altogether. Stability is boring, but boring is powerful. Now let's talk about the most underrated investment, skills. Stocks can crash. Skills compound for life. A $1,000 course that increases income by $500 per month beats any ETF. Skills create income. Income creates investments. Examples: coding, sales, video editing, AI tools, finance literacy. This bucket pays forever, even in recessions. Most people want passive income without active skill. That's backwards. Skills come first. Now we talk about growth, where emotions spike. This is not gambling. This is calculated risk. Remember, growth money should never be money you need soon. Examples include ETFs, individual stocks, crypto, startups. The goal isn't winning big, it's surviving mistakes. Losses teach faster than gains, if controlled. However, never put 100% of $1,000 here, ever. Growth is seasoning, not the meal. How to split, so how should you split $1,000? A beginner, lean safety and skills. Young with income, add growth slowly. Near-term goals, reduce risk. Same money, different lives, different plans. $1,000 won't make you rich, but it will make you disciplined. And discipline is what creates wealth. Your future isn't built in one decision, but this one matters. The goal isn't to turn $1,000 into $10,000. The goal is to turn you into someone who knows what to do with money.